In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete events on Calendly. Whether you're cleaning up your schedule or just getting rid of an outdated event, this process is straightforward and quick. To begin, let's navigate over to the Calendly homepage. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, where all your scheduling magic happens. Here, you'll see a list of your active events right on your screen. This clear and organized layout is one of the reasons why so many people love using Calendly to manage their schedules. Now, to delete an event, we're going to choose the specific event you want to remove. When you hover over the event, you'll notice three little dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, sitting quietly beside each event entry. Go ahead and click on these dots. This is your key to unveiling a variety of options related to managing your event. Once you've clicked, you'll see a drop-down menu with multiple choices. While there might be several tempting options, our focus here is purely on deleting the event. Find the Delete option in this drop-down menu and select it. After clicking Delete, Calendly will prompt you with a confirmation message. This acts as a safeguard, making sure you don't accidentally erase anything important without intent. Read the message carefully to ensure you're deleting the correct event. You wouldn't want any scheduling mishaps. Once you are absolutely sure you want this event gone from your schedule, go ahead and confirm your choice by clicking Yes. And just like that, the event is deleted from your schedule. This final action is irreversible, so make sure you've thought it through before committing to it. Congratulations, you've successfully removed an event from your Calendly schedule. While deleting an event might seem like a small task, it highlights the flexibility and user-friendliness of Calendly's interface. Keep in mind, maintaining an organized and clutter-free schedule is key to managing your time effectively. So, don't hesitate to use this process whenever you need to rearrange or clean up your events. Thanks for joining me today in this brief walkthrough. I hope you found it useful and that it makes your scheduling tasks on Calendly even easier. Keep an eye out for more tips and tutorials to enhance your productivity and scheduling efficiency. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.